That's where I went to high school. We're gonna walk a little bit. This guy is gonna show us where. I don't remember any of these buildings, but I guess it's okay. Hizo bado ni dormitory. Oh. Administration? Oh, okay. Okay. Me graduate hapa 1990.
Daddy, are you
Yeah.
filming them? Are you filming yourself speaking so I hear you?
Yeah, of course I'm gonna remove that.
Well, then, if you don't want to do
So this high school, that's where I went. And it's kind of fun coming back. Maybe I'll talk to the head teacher, see if he can give me my certificate.
Okay.
Because when I left, I never came back for it.
It's alright.
Yeah, if he doesn't have it, he doesn't have it. Is it a he or she?
He.
The head? Okay. Okay. It's nice for him to see, hey, this is one of our students, you know?
But the current one is a new one.
Yeah.
He just came here in 2018.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So he's new. Okay, and these are classes, right?
This one.
Yeah.
No, these are the.
You know, when I graduated, it was mixed. There was boys, there was girls.
But now they are separated. The guys are now.
They're somewhere else.
But this road.
I saw they have girls high school, right?
What?
They have a girls and they have boys.
Yeah, yeah. This is one boys and the other one is our guys.
I remember this uniform, man. I wore those. Yeah, I came here forms 5 and 6.
This is a dining hall.
Oh, there's a dining.
graduated here 32 years ago.
That's a dining hall, right there.